Hello everyone. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect Phonak hearing aids to iPhone. We'll take things step by step. If you need to, feel free to pause the video. Before we get started, be sure to have the My Phonak app already downloaded and installed onto your device from the App Store. First, remove the hearing aids from the charging dock. Then, open Settings. Open Bluetooth to view your device options. Your phone is automatically searching for the hearing devices. Once the device is discovered, select it. Go to the home screen once the device is connected. Place the hearing aids back into the charging dock. Now open the My Phonak app. Select OK to allow Bluetooth. For this video, we're going to skip the tour, but feel free to swipe through the slides if you'd like. Accept the terms and conditions, and then select Proceed. Select Continue. Select whether or not you live in the United States. Please remove the hearing aids from the charging dock, and then select Pair Device. Select Let's Get Started. Select Continue to confirm the connection. Please wait while the application locates both hearing aids. Select Pair to connect your left hearing aid. Select Pair to connect your right hearing aid. Select Continue. Please select Stay Connected. Acknowledge the safety information here. Please wait while the connection is made. Your Phonak hearing aids are now connected to this device. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, when you hear better, you live happier.